This is a 427 small block Ford 351 based block. It's built by Prestige Motors in North Carolina. It came in with a carburetor on it. Customer felt like he wanted to get a little more reliability out of it. We have a Holley HP EFI system running a multi-port injection style. It actually has 8 injectors with a carburetor style throttle plate on the top. Completely programmable, fuel, timing, idle, everything is tunable. It's got 10-to-1 compression, it's got AFR heads, running full Aeromotive fuel system, in-tank pump, Aeromotive fuel regulators, all 6-dash lines, Edelbrock, Victor Jr. intake on it. This is a beast. Right now it's being a little feisty, trying to get the numbers up to where we want, getting all the EFI dialed in, a little bit of tuning involved with that, but we're getting close.